A lot of people said they only picked up one of these, and they asked if I could make something with just one of these. Okay, let's get started. Okay, here where you're going to get to your last bead to put on, what you're going to do is then cover the end with some hot glue. And then slide your bead on. Be very careful not to burn yourself with the glue. And push it down. Then you're going to take and place hot glue in the end of that last bead and then glue it back to the frame. Be careful so you don't burn yourself. Like that. Is my final project, and I have to say I am absolutely in love with it. I made this for our front porch. We have a covered front porch, and this is the wreath that I'm going to be hanging on our front door. on the outside of our security screen. It is hanging here inside my house right now because lighting, as you can see, is pretty bad everywhere. But I wanted to be able to get the best picture for you guys so you could see exactly how it turned out. I am in love with the wood bead detail that I decided to add to this wreath. It was very easy to do. As you saw, I used a wire cutter that actually came from the Dollar Tree and just snipped them off at the top. It doesn't take long. You do need to turn it back and forth and to wear it down a little, and then you can just break it off and add the beads to it. And then I suggest, if you're going to be putting this anywhere but indoors, to use some E6000 or Gorilla Glue along with hot glue to secure it back on. I am going to be putting this on my front porch, and so I did secure it with a little Gorilla Glue on the actual part that I cut off, and it is very, very secure. I was inspired to use these beads by my sister Chrissy, who has her own YouTube channel that is now called Make It With Chrissy, and in her channel art you can see the wood bead wreath that she did, and so I thought it would work perfectly on this, and I do love how it turned out. Those beads came from Michael's store. They are $3.99 a pack. However, you can use a coupon for them, and I ended up using the size that keeps 34 beads in the pack, and I used 4 packs in order to do this. I actually went to the store to get the much bigger beads. However, my store was out of them, so I settled for these, and I actually like this size better. All of the ribbon on this also came from Michael's. They have it right now for 40% off. And so each one of these ribbons, the thankful one, the stripe one, and the pumpkin one, ended up costing me $2.40 for a roll that has 12 feet on it. And I am in love with the thankful one. I am actually going to go back to the store to try to get another one, but my store only had the one, and I was really glad that I could get it. Also, the berries and the little leaves with the pine cone came from Michael's as well. The wreath form and the ribbon that's on the back with the maple leaves came from the Dollar Tree. I really wanted to make a wreath that I could keep and use year after year in different spots of my house. And so I wanted this one to be really, really special. Not that you cannot make this completely from Dollar Tree, but once I saw the thankful ribbon, and I had coupons and my mother and my granddaughter with me at Michael's, I kind of just ran wild with this color scheme and decided to do it all from Michael's products. Now, this can be customized any kind of way you want. If you're not into traditional Thanksgiving or fall colors, then you can do this with buffalo check on the back, like black and white, and still the beads on the front. You could use the actually gray and white kind of buffalo check baby blanket that they have at Dollar Tree to put on the back of this, and it would still work out real well. Dollar Tree also carries little beads. They come in different sizes in a pack, and you could mix those instead of using the wood beads from Michael's, and you can do this whole project from Dollar Tree because they have pine cones, they have berries, they also have leaves, and they have some beautiful ribbons right now, including the one that's on the back. I think this would work out with stripes on the back of this. You could end up actually maybe finding a nice gift bag and cutting it up and putting it on the back of it. The possibilities are just endless. So that is it for this project. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, liking, always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Bye, loves. Also, guys, I have had lots of questions about the bows that I make on all my projects here on my channel. I did do a small bow tutorial on a different video, so I will link that down below so you guys can check that out if you like. If you would like to see a bow tutorial here on my channel, comment down in the comment section below and let me know, and I will try to get to that coming up next month. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.